Hello, everyone. So here's the scenario. You are snowed in. Brr. So if you would like the lecture to continue, you can do that by using Panopto on your personal device. So today we're going to go over how to install the Panopto app on your computer. Here are the steps we're going to follow. We're going to head to panopto.com. We're going to log in. Then we're going to install Panopto. And then finally launch Panopto. So this is on a Mac device. Windows will be very similar, and I'll try to go over a few things that might make Windows different when we get there. All right, so first, panopto.com. So here we are, Panopto. I'm going to go ahead and click Sign In. This is your full email address for Sullivan, so mine is the bstevens at, here it is, bstevens@sullivan.edu. Next. All right, so here we are. I know some of you have this page bookmarked, so feel free to skip those first steps. All right, so here we are on our Panopto site. I'm going to click Sign In. Now this is probably the only tricky part of this video, I would say. We want to sign in using not Panopto. We want to use suscorp.edu. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that there for just a moment. So sign in using suscorp.edu. All right, that sounds good. Sign in. They have some directions down here for us. So I'm going to type in that domain / just my username, so not the full email, and my password. So we are signed in. As always, feel free to rewind if that was a little too fast. That last screen, that was the tricky part. Suscorp username and password. All right, so let's download Panopto. Windows users, you will more than likely need this one, 64-bit, 32 bits on the older side. I'm on a Mac, so I would use this one. But as luck would have it, I happen to have the installer right here. All right, so just like any other installer, you're going to be prompted for a few things. I already have this installed, so we'll probably see an error here in just a moment. So anyway, that's basically like all the other installers that you have seen. Oh, that's great. Move to trash. Awesome. So now I have the Panopto app installed. So on a Mac, you have some options of how to launch it. If you have Finder open, or the menu at the top here, Finder, I can go to Go, Applications, and find it that way. Here's Panopto. Or you could use the Spotlight search, Command, and then Spacebar. Search for it that way. And on the Windows side, that's what I would recommend. So down here, you could click on the Start button and just type in Panopto, and it will search for it. All right, so when you open Panopto, first you'll probably want to pat yourself on the back for doing a good job. Then you can click Create New Recording to get started. And don't worry, there's some more steps coming, but that'll be our next video in the series. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope that helps.